frozen night. My voice cuts deep like a blade of light. I hear the old ones call my soul to stand unbroken, fierce and whole.
No chain can hold